Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. So in today's video, first I want to just show you this one. They have rejected my withdrawal request and it's just asking for a selfie. I just wanted to let you know that it happens for everyone and it's so normal. For the accounts with consistent withdrawals, they do this once in a while. They might also ask for address verification from the bank so they can see it's you trading. Okay, this is for security and it doesn't mean that you have been scammed or something like that. It happens once in a while for me. Basically every 10 withdrawals they have a verification like this. It might be selfie or address, and after doing that, after uploading your selfie, they're just going to confirm it's you and then you'll be fine to place your withdrawal again. So there's nothing to worry about. So let's go back to the let's just take a couple of trades. So I just wanted to let you know that it happens and it's normal for the accounts with consistent withdrawals. So here you can see a doji, but the market's movement is kind of weird. You see every single green candle and then you see a weird gap down. So it creates me a overlap. So overlaps can act like a supply or demand. Okay, so after breaking this doji, which is happening on this candle, I'll go with the buyers because it's also breaking this overlap. Okay, so let me just see low high low low. It's not creating a high. If it was creating a high, this would be a QM area as well. But let me just take this trade. I'll go pretty wild in this trading session. This is also a gap down. I add one more. Oh my god, my entry's a little bad. So yeah, the reason behind this trade is simple. This is a QM, right? This is a QM area. See ABC to the downside and then we're breaking the previous swing. So there should be an activity from the buyer's side. So let me just check for the confirmation. Since this is a big QM, look, you can see the confirmation as an engulf. And then we back to the setup. This is the setup, okay? So that's why I go with the buyers here. It's also combined with this doji break, okay? Doji break, QM, gap down, and then that's just enough reasons. Okay, let me just check the trend. Oh, the trend, major trend with us, and then we have minor trend as a base. Okay, that was my first trade. Let's just go to, the 63. Don't trade low percentage pairs, guys. It's not gonna give you a very good risk to reward. Okay, so here now we are in the space. Okay, let me just see. Okay, let's just see if we have better opportunities. It's coming back to, okay, you can see that. Okay, I'll go with the bars right here. That's a pretty wild trade. Look, it's another QM. Oh my freaking god, that was a winning trade. It's another QM. This is my first trade. Okay, let me just go back to 1 minute. This is my first trade. This is a QM. Okay, and then we have another engulf, just like this 5-minute engulf. Look at this 5-minute engulf, and then if we go to 1 minute, you can see that we have another engulf, which is which a QM is happening inside of that. Look, this is a QM. See, and then this is my QM zone. It's rejecting from the QM zone. Okay, so that was. Oh, look at my entry, and this is my lower time frame entry. My entry would be exactly here and the candle closed here. Okay, look, 47 and the candle closed right there. That was beautiful. Okay, so this is what I mean by taking perfect trades based on your knowledge. Okay, it doesn't matter what the setup is. The thing that matters is mastering that setup. If you master QM, you're going to take perfect QM trades. If you master patterns, you're going to take perfect patterns trade. Okay, and you can use the gaps in your favor as well. Let's just see. Let me Just see. I want to take a very small trade on this one. Very small trade. Okay, the market's direction is upward. That's why it's not getting respected. That's why I go with 50 here. It's high probability to lose. Maybe till let me just see if we're gonna lose this. No, we didn't lose it. You know why did I take this trade? Okay, we lost that. I thought we might have a green candle. They tried, but the markets have been touched somewhere strong, I assume. That's why we didn't take. We didn't have a red candle. It also will happen, but the thing is, you have to have dynamic money management. It means that you take higher risk in short shots or good trades. You take lower risk on the trades that you are not sure about. Look at this. This is what? This is a QM. This is a QM, ABC to the upside, and then we break the previous low, which is this one. And then if I go to the 3-minute time frame for higher time frame confirmation, you can see that this is the engulf. So if I mark this engulf with this rectangle, okay, I'm marking this. So this is 3-minute time frame, right? So if I go back to the 1 minute, you can see that this setup is happening inside of that engulf. Okay, this is my QM zone. This is my QM zone. You can watch the QM video if you don't know anything about QM. That's gonna help you a lot. Okay, it's gonna appear in the screen at the end of the video. Okay, so this is my QM zone. Okay, if I go to lower time frame, you can see that we have a drop, base drop. This is gonna be my entry area. I will enter here, and then the price will drop. So you might ask why you don't consider this one, because it's not fresh. Look, ABC to the downside, but it has been consumed. If you draw this, you can see that this shadow has consumed that. But if you draw this, there's no shadow consuming that, and this is the first time the price is going there. That's why this was an amazing trade. Okay. Oh, this is a gap down, so I'm not trusting this one. I was about to take a sell here, to be honest, because look, this is a breakout trade. But I didn't trust this because we have gap down, and previously we have some candles with strong bodies. We might have upward movement, so this gap down is confirming that. That's why I just avoided this trade. Okay, you can see that this is a QM, right? If I go to a higher time frame, you can see the engulf. And if I go back to the lower time frames, you will see drop-based drops. Okay, if you don't see drop-based drop, you should find for overlaps. Okay, for example, look at the 15-second time frame. You see the overlap right inside of this zone. Okay, first of all, when you see your entry or lower time frame entry, it's just better to avoid the trade. But if you love QMs like me and just want to take advantage of every single one of them, you can just consider the overlap as your entry. It's better to be inside of the zone. Okay. Okay, here you can see that we are breaking this overlap. Most likely I'm gonna take a sell because it's just a break and retest of the support area. Let's just see. Okay, this one also is trying to come up. Oh, it didn't break the overlap. That's so sad. Okay, finally, we have a doji here. Finally, we found a doji. We found a good setup. Okay, this has been a very huge downtrend for a while, and now we are basically trying to create a base here. Okay, let me just see. If we break this doji, based on the past of the market, Okay. We might be able to take a buy. It's against the trend, okay? It's against the trend. And I'm a little worried about this trade, but we'll do it. Let me just see. Okay, this is a round number. We can maybe use this. Okay, go with the bars only for one trade. It's exactly on this round number. Let's just add 2 more. I'm expecting a reach. Maybe it's trying to create this candle, because I've seen this pretty much a lot. Yeah. So it's a doji break. This is a doji break, and this is a base. But not the safest, okay? I just took this trade. Okay, that's it about today's trading session, guys. This last trade was a bad trade, let me just be honest with you. And yeah, sometimes you might search for the best opportunity, but you're not able to find it, and then you end up taking a bad trade. That's just the reality of freaking market, bro. Yeah, thank you for watching, everybody. Peace out.